Okay, this is how to reset the thermal switch or the high heat switch on an Ariston electric. This is the GL4, but this will work for like a 2.5 and other models of Ariston. What you need is just something small and flat, like a small screwdriver. You need to open the cover, and then you need to find this little reset button. Now, it is extremely small, but that tends to pop out due to power outages or the unit getting hot or getting some air in the tank overheating. But whatever reason, it happens from time to time. It's a known issue, but a simple fix. Unplug everything, set it on, hit the reset. Then when you turn your thermostat back up, it should relight the red light on the switch. So we've got everything still plugged up, so you'll see it happen when I hit the reset. There we go. And you just firmly press in. Firmly. Just firmly press. You can see that's recessed now. And so we should also now we have a red light. So, turn that off. Well, that's how you reset it. And again, that's for the Aristons. Simple button, simple fix. So no red light. You need to check to see if that switch is an issue.